the nation is as something undivided and whole is to become victim to class propaganda. Phrase 7. The Indian nation is made up of princes, industrialists, bankers, merchants, peasants, laborers, etc. Let us take the princes. Their freedom means completely sovereignty, which can be won only on a battlefield. But which of the princes since 1857 in a position to go to war for his sovereignty? It is clear that the princes must permanently remain vassals of British imperialism. This naturally ranges them against the national movement in so far as it opposes the imperialism. Here is the first breach in national unity. The landlord of India is well known and largely the creation of British imperialism. The bigger landlords have always solidly stood with imperialism and have been its strongest props in the countryside. Nationalism has no meaning to the people except job in the higher service, and if no political power is to be given to Indian on account of nationalist force to gathering strength, then the balance of such power. They themselves are not interested in opposing or even agitating against imperialism. Their entry into politics is merely to ensure that their interests do not suffer on account of any power being transferred to Indian hands. No one with the least political understanding or experience can talk of unity with the landlord. Here is the second breach in the national unity. Let us take the industrialist next. Nationalism to them means complete freedom to exploit the country resources of men and material and the build up their fortunes, or is the epithemistically but develop the country. To this they require a great deal of control over the state, leading ultimately to complete control at once. But since it is too risky to secure, they would be satisfied with gradual consequences of such